Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 crashing on your Windows PC consistently. Make sure to watch me until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to right click on Counter-Strike 2, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and make sure that you click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will make sure that it verifies all the game files that have been installed and get rid of anything that was corrupt. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to Browse for the files, go to Game, go to Bin, go to Win64, right click on cs2.exe, go to Properties, Compatibility, and then from here you're going to run this program compatible for Windows 8 and then disable full screen optimization, click Apply and then OK. Now we'll make sure that your drivers are all up to date, so if you're using a GeForce NVIDIA card, you're going to go to GeForce Experience, let it load. Once it loads up, you're going to go to the drivers, and then from here you're going to make sure that you can download or install the newest driver and check for updates consistently. Then final step, you're going to search for Steam, right click, open file location, right click again, open file location again, go up to user data, and then go to the first option, and from here, as you can see 730, you're going to right click this and going to delete it. And then once you make sure that you delete that, restart Steam, and then hopefully that will help you fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.